Good morning. Today I will be explaining to you the use of datetime picker form control. So datetime picker form control is a graphical user interface element in a Windows Form application. It is a type of form control that allows the user to select a single item from a list of dates or time. It is typically used in forms where the user needs to input a specific date or time. So how to access datetime picker? Just simply drag it from the toolbox and put it inside your form. When the datetime picker form control is added to a Windows form, it displays a calendar by default, which allows the user to select a date by clicking on a specific day. The control also provides the option to select a time value, either by using a drop-down menu or by typing the time directly into the control. Here you can see the three formats of datetime picker. So the first one is the long format, the second one is short format, and the third one is the time format. These three formats are accessible inside the properties of the datetime picker. There is another format which is called custom, wherein you're the one who will customize the format of datetime picker. For example, in this format, I set the format by day/month/year. So the output is this one. So here I created a very simple program wherein I need to input my name, and once I press the enter, it will print the date of my birth, and then together it will also print the time when I press the enter button. So here I use two format of datetime picker, which is the time format and the long format. So let's say I inputted Emmanuel, and then I set my birthday on August 12, 2003. Once I press the enter, it will print Emmanuel, your birthday is Tuesday, August 12, 2003. And the user clicked the enter button at 3:31 p.m. Now I will try to explain to you the code that I use here in this program. So the first thing that I did here is I created a text box for me to be able to input my name. So let's say I inputted Emmanuel, and I named this text box to name text box. And then after that, I created two types of datetime picker. The first one is the long format to get the date of my birthday, and then the second one is the time format to get the time when the user pressed the enter button. I also added two labels. The first label, I name it output, and then the second label, I name it time output. So what will happen here is the value of the name text box, which is Emmanuel, will be printed here in the output together with this string, your birthday is, and then the value of datetime picker. And for the second label, which is the time output, it will print the user click the enter button at, and then the value of the time format, which is here is 4:40 p.m. So once I press this enter, this will be the output. So that is the use of datetime picker, and I hope you understand my explanation, and thank you.